Hello everyone, we are team number 5. My name is Amanpreet Kaur.
My name is Prince.
My name is Jaspreet.
My name is Chetna.
Today we are going to present activity that is related to government grant. First of all, I am going to explain the grant. The amount for this grant will be $18,000. The level of government is a federal, that is Canada Post. Their criteria for this grant application is that they are providing the grants for the learning of children. They provide grants for education, community and health. Canada Post awarded up to $25,000 for schools, daycare centers, sport teams. Only those organizations can apply for funding if you are a charity or non-profit organization, community, libraries, and athletic association. Projects that they are eligible for grants are library supplies, electronics, music instruments, sports equipments, after-school programs.
How will you use this grant in childcare settings? So we will use this grant for sports and electronic equipments. We want to build an outdoor playground. In that day play area, we want to set up different equipment, slides, ladders, swings. We also want to make a sand area for children to ensure that the safety of our children. We will put sport some mats under the equipments and built an fence surrounded the playground. We also want to buy some bikes and other small outdoor toys for children. We also need a tablet for staff for documentation purpose in daycare. After doing this project, if any amount of left, we will use that to buying age appropriate books for children that will enhance the learning.
Why is this important to your center? As we know that outdoor play is very important for the development and learning of children. So we want to give our children every opportunity to ensure their physical health and also so that they can develop their gross motor development and learn new while exploring outdoor environment. We also want to use pedagogical documentation, so that's why we need a tablet for their learning and want to document their every moment and capture some special moments so that we can share those moments with their parents on the daily basis.
So who will benefit? It will help in the physical health of our children and in new learning opportunities. This will help in educators to document the work of our children and create more opportunities for learning of children. This will also provide an opportunity for parents to watch the activities of children while they are at the childcare center. So everyone will benefit from this grant. Next one is, how will you measure the success of the project? So specific, what is needed to improve. It is very important for children to play outside. So our outdoor play area is just an open, but our outdoor area is just an open area with a very less toys and without a fence. So we want to improve our playground and include all the equipments for the children for their better development. We also want to make sure the safety of children by adding the mats and fence. We also want to provide the special moments for the children and to the parents. So measurable, to evaluate the final product, we can come and check our outdoor playground and also check the equipments. So internal and external stakeholders are agree on this, and it is doable also. The time for this that is estimated is 1 month. So this project will be done in 1 month. And so that's all for our presentation. I hope that every one of you enjoyed our video. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.